How to exit parking spaces like a pro. Beginner's tutorial for new drivers. 1. Overcoming parking space challenges for newbies. For many new drivers, the notion of navigating parking lots and squeezing into tight spaces is nothing short of a Herculean task. This fear often stems from the unfamiliar territory of spatial judgment and the anxiety of causing accidental damage. However, there's an unsung beauty in mastering the art of skillful parking. It's akin to learning a new dance, where every turn, pivot, and slide has its place and rhythm. By breaking down this process into digestible steps, one embarks on a journey from apprehensive novice to confident expert. As we dive deeper into this transformative adventure, it's essential to embrace parking as a skill that transcends mere necessity. It's about developing a symphony between mind, machine, and environment where each element plays off the others in harmony. The first step towards conquering this challenge begins not with practical maneuvers but with reshaping our mindset, viewing each parking scenario as an opportunity for growth rather than an obstacle. Such a perspective paves the way for applying technical knowledge with calm precision, turning dreaded parking situations into victories awaiting celebration. 2. Understanding different types of parking spaces. Imagine navigating a labyrinth of steel and concrete, seeking the perfect spot to station your vehicle. This quest leads us to understand the theater of parking spaces, each with its own rules of engagement. The most common combatants are parallel, perpendicular, or straight-in, and angled parking spaces. Parallel parking, often seen as the final boss for new drivers, demands a dance of precision on bustling city streets. It's an intricate ballet between curb and car, requiring deft steering and spatial awareness. On the flip side, perpendicular spots invite drivers into a straightforward drive-in scenario but challenge them upon exiting when vision is obscured by larger vehicles parked adjacent. Angled parking offers a middle ground, a simpler approach and departure than its counterparts but necessitates cautious navigation due to the reduced visibility it presents upon reversing. Each type casts a different spell on the exit strategy. Mastering these can transform an intimidating skirmish into an elegant pas de deux with your vehicle, a crucial skill in becoming not just a driver but a conductor on the asphalt stage. 3. Tips before you start. Positioning and mirrors. Before you even think about igniting the engine to brave the challenge of exiting a parking space, take a moment to consider your positioning and mirrors, your best allies in maneuvering like a seasoned pilot. Properly angling your mirrors is not just about compliance. It's about crafting an all-encompassing panoramic view of your surroundings, minimizing blind spots to mere figments. Imagine transforming your vehicle into an extension of yourself, where every subtle shift and movement offers a clear and present view of everything around you. This adjustment is crucial in not only avoiding unnecessary scrapes but also in ensuring the safety of wandering pedestrians that often go unnoticed. Positioning within the parking slot itself seems straightforward yet holds profound implications on your egress strategy. A common oversight for many new drivers is failing to center their vehicle within the confines of the space, inadvertently setting up an awkward angle when it's time to leave. By aligning yourself neatly between the lines from the start, you assert a controlled dominance over your departure trajectory, granting you smoother sailings as you glide out of your spot with confidence and grace. It's these nuanced practices that elevate mere driving into an art form, where foresight and preparation pave the way for effortless execution. 4. The step-by-step guide to exiting parallel parking. Exiting a parallel parking space can sometimes feel like solving a complex puzzle, especially in busy city streets. The key lies in patience and precision, transforming what often seems daunting into smooth maneuvering. Begin by ensuring your turn signals are on to alert surrounding drivers of your intent. Then, check your mirrors and over your shoulder for any pedestrians or oncoming traffic that may affect your move. Once the coast is clear, reverse carefully until you see the rear tires of the car parked in front of you align with your windshield. This positioning is crucial as it provides the necessary angle for exiting without scraping either vehicle. Next, Turn your wheel towards the street and slowly start moving forward while straightening up as you clear the car next to you. Remember, speed is not your friend here. The slower you go, the more control you maintain over fine adjustments that ensure a graceful exit from even the tightest spots. Exiting parallel parking doesn't have to be an ordeal. Rather, it's an opportunity to showcase driving finesse and spatial awareness that comes with practice and patience. 5. Mastering the art of leaving a perpendicular spot. Exiting a perpendicular parking spot can often feel like executing a ballet on wheels, where every move and turn needs to be perfectly synchronized. The trick lies in mastering the art of spatial awareness, an invaluable skill that separates the novices from the seasoned drivers. Instead of hastily backing out, take a moment to observe your surroundings. This involves checking for pedestrians, other vehicles moving through the lot, and any obstacles that might obstruct your path. As you start to reverse, keep your movements slow and controlled. Turn your steering wheel towards the direction of the driving lane only when your vehicle is approximately halfway out of the space. This ensures you're aligned correctly before fully entering the traffic flow. Remember, exiting smoothly isn't just about avoiding collisions. It's also about signaling others about your intentions so they can adjust their paths accordingly. By adopting these techniques with practice and patience, you'll not only exit perpendicular spots with grace but also navigate parking lots with newfound confidence and finesse. 6. Handling angled parking exits with confidence. Angled parking exits, while they may seem daunting to the uninitiated, are actually an opportunity to refine your vehicular control and spatial awareness with a dash of strategic foresight. The key to mastering these exits lies in understanding the geometry of your vehicle in relation to the available space. Before you even think about moving, adjust your mirrors to ensure maximum visibility, especially on the side where traffic is approaching. This adjustment allows you not only to see oncoming vehicles but also pedestrian traffic which might be obscured by parked cars or other obstacles. When it's time to reverse out of an angled spot, the trick is a gentle yet assertive approach. Turn your wheels towards the driving lane before moving, but don't commit suddenly. Ease off slowly while keeping a vigilant eye on both mirrors and over your shoulder for any immediate hazards. It's a balancing act between being cautious and overly hesitant. Project confidence with smooth movements rather than jerky corrections that can signal uncertainty to other drivers. Exiting angled parking spots confidently comes down not just to maneuvering skill but also showcasing competent decision-making that keeps both you and others safe. A testament that you're evolving into a proficient driver capable of navigating even tricky parking situations with poise. 7. Building skills and confidence on the road. In conclusion, mastering the art of exiting parking spaces is more than just about maneuvering a vehicle. It's a pivotal step towards building invaluable driving skills and boosting your confidence on the road. Each time you successfully navigate out of a tight spot, you're not just moving forward physically but also enhancing your spatial awareness, judgment, and adaptability, qualities that define seasoned drivers. This journey from cautious beginner to confident pro doesn't merely make parking lots less daunting. It transforms the entire driving landscape into one where challenges are viewed as opportunities to grow. Moreover, this newfound prowess at handling what once seemed an intricate task feeds into an overarching sense of self-assurance behind the wheel. Imagine approaching every driving scenario with the confidence that comes from mastering one of the trickiest aspects of urban driving. Such assurance encourages a calm and focused mindset, crucial for safe and enjoyable journeys on today's busy roads. Remember, each successful park or exit is not just a minor win but a significant stride in becoming an adept driver whose presence on the road is characterized by competency and calmness, a true indication that you're not just getting through but genuinely thriving in your driving experiences.